Imagine you're on a transcontinental flight, and you need to work remotely, collaborating with a team to finalize a critical presentation. You need a laptop that can handle demanding tasks, provide seamless connectivity, and keep your sensitive data secure. With the HP EliteBook 860G 11/16-inch FHD Plus business laptop, you'll be equipped with a cutting-edge AI-enhanced system designed to deliver power, security, and intuitive collaboration tools for working in the office or a hybrid setting. Unfortunately, many professionals still face productivity-draining issues with their current workstations, hindering their performance and leaving them exposed to vulnerabilities. Traditional laptops often struggle to meet the demands of today's fast-paced work environment, with compromised security, limited collaboration features, and outdated processing capabilities. This creates a significant opportunity for innovative solutions that can bridge the gap and meet the evolving needs of modern businesses. First impressions of the HP EliteBook 860G11 are striking. Its sleek, professional design exudes high-end sophistication, making it an asset to any corporate setting. The durable, anodized aluminum body feels solid in the hand, and the laptop's weight is perfectly balanced, making it easy to carry. The 16-inch diagonal Wuxge 1920 by 1200 IPS display is truly impressive, boasting an anti-glare coating and an sRGB color gamut of 100%. Whether you're working indoors or outdoors, the vibrant visuals and razor-sharp text will keep you engaged and productive. Moving on to the HP EliteBook 860G11's core features, let's dive deeper. The heart of this system is the Intel Core Ultra 7 155U processor, a 12-core, 12-thread powerhouse with an impressive 14-turbo frequency, clocked it up to 4.8 GHz and 12 megabytes of L3 cache. This beast of a processor is paired with 32 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM, ensuring seamless multitasking and effortless data processing. For storage, the laptop boasts a 1 terabyte PCIe SSD, allowing for blistering fast loading times and data transfer speeds. One of the standout features of the HP EliteBook 860G11 is its focus on collaboration. With Intel's AI-enhanced graphics and AI accelerators featuring NPU, this laptop is equipped to handle demanding graphics tasks with ease. It's also designed to seamlessly connect to the cloud, facilitating effortless file sharing and online collaboration. Plus, with the latest Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3 standards, you can enjoy lightning-fast wireless connectivity and reliable data transfer. In the real world, these features combine to deliver exceptional performance. I found myself switching effortlessly between demanding tasks, including video editing, 3D modeling, and simultaneous web conferencing, all without experiencing a single lag or slowdown. Moreover, the laptop's advanced security features, such as the fingerprint reader and Windows 11 Pro, ensure that your sensitive data remains protected and secure. Now, let's discuss the pros and cons of the HP EliteBook 860G11. On the plus side, this laptop offers outstanding performance, a stunning display, and exceptional collaboration features. The build quality is also top-notch, making it a true flagship device. However, at a price point of over $1,500, this laptop may seem out of reach for some users. Additionally, some users may find a 16-inch screen a bit too large for everyday use. When compared to competing options in the market, the HP EliteBook 860G11 stands out for its cutting-edge AI-enhanced processing and exceptional display. While laptops like the Dell XPS 13 and Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Carbon offer similar features and performance, they can't match the EliteBook's 16-inch display and impressive 12-core processor. In conclusion, the HP EliteBook 860G 11/16-inch FHD Plus business laptop is a phenomenal device that checks all the right boxes for professionals seeking a powerhouse laptop that's as much about collaboration as it is about performance. With its AI-enhanced processing, 16-inch display, and exceptional build quality, this laptop is sure to leave a lasting impression. If you're in the market for a top-of-the-line business laptop that can handle any task, the HP EliteBook 860G11 is an absolute must-consider. To experience the true potential of this incredible device, head to the HP website to learn more and explore the purchasing options. Trust me, you won't be disappointed.